Hey everyone, I'm gonna share with you my super fast and most favorite Instant Pot recipe. There's olive oil in there right now. I'm gonna saute some onions. Going to add some tomato paste, about 4 tablespoons. Stir that up in there for about 20-30 seconds. Then you're going to add about 2.5 pounds of seasoned flank steak. That's chopped up into cubes. It's just seasoned with chili powder. I'm gonna add that in. Give it a good stir. Half a cup of Chipotle Salsa and half a cup of broth. Just give it another good stir. You're going to close the lid on your Instant Pot, turn off the saute function, and put it on the meat function. And I'll see you guys in about 30 minutes with the finished product. Okay, so this meat has been cooking in here in the Instant Pot for 30 minutes, and I'm gonna show you the finished product. Ready? Stir it up, just get all the juices together and all the meat shredded. Look at that.